guy. As we approach the new school year, a local attorney, Michael Morse, right?
Yes, yeah.
Making sure that students have what they need to get back into the classroom. This is Michael Morse, Mike Morse Law Firm, and he's got his project backpack giveaway. But that's interesting, and we'll talk about that. I think it's tomorrow. Tomorrow, right?
12 to 2.
All right, 12 to 2. Where's it at?
My parking lot.
Okay, that's all we need to talk about that. This week, Wayne County jury awarded $75 million. Very serious case. Essentially, kids were studying. Your client wanted a drug to pull an all-nighter.
He wanted a medicine to help him study focus, like Adderall.
Right. The other two, they gave him, or three, gave him a drug, an illegal drug. He took it. He had a reaction to it, and they thought it'd be funny to videotape this and put it on social media.
Correct.
That's essentially the facts. And he died. And he died.
And he slowly died over 4.5 hours. Nobody called 911 ever.
Yeah.
Till he was already passed. And it is a horrible, tragic case. But luckily, a Wayne County jury awarded a historic award yesterday.
$75 million
Thursday. $75 million. I'm being told it's the largest in the state's history for a single death.
Now, you sued the kids. These are also 21-year-olds or so.
They're adults.
They're adults, but they can't possibly pay this.
Well, there's homeowners policies that are involved, and the judgment stays with them for the rest of their life.
Right.
So this is not dischargeable in bankruptcy, in our opinion. And when you're 21, now 25, that's a big number to have around your neck forever.
But the purpose of this, though, goes beyond. There is a message to this. What is that message?
Well, there's a couple things. There's healing. There's justice for the family, right? Because nobody's taking responsibility.
Yeah.
They're denying it. They're never apologize. So the healing that I saw when this amazing 8-person jury came back with that verdict, I turned around, saw my clients, the tears. There was healing within moments. It was wonderful to see. The message the parents want to get across is that you got to touch your kids.
Yeah.
When I signed up this case 5.5 years ago, I went immediately home to my 3 daughters and said, "You're not going to believe this case." And I remember feeling emotional, and I said, "If you need a prescription drug to study, come to me. I will take you to a doctor. We will get them if appropriate.
Don't do this
do not take them from other kids." It's the same as being roofied in a bar.
Yeah.
It's the parents need to get that message across that you can't trust. You don't think you could trust your friends just to give this to you or to do the right thing. You got to protect yourself. You got to be in the right situations. You got to be around the right people.
Very sad situation. I just think there's a lot of messages there for this case, and you know, good for you. But it's a sad case, though.
Very
really.
sad.
And
very sad.
We can talk about the legalities. You have to probably get a tie to try that one.
I had to dust off my suits, but I got in there. I did it. DennisPreka.org is the name of their foundation and their website. There's only one N in Dennis. I'm sure we'll have the information on our website. You guys are great at putting it on your website. Yeah. So go check out more of the facts.
All right. All right. All right. You have been doing a backpack giveaway for how many years now?
I think it's 11 or 12.
11 or 12
They say
years.
11, I think it's 12.
What is the purpose of the backpack giveaway?
Just to give back to this wonderful community that's given me so much. My mom was a Detroit school teacher. Some kids are going in with backpacks, some without. I want to level the playing field for all kids. And it's not just Detroit, it's Metro Detroit. Anybody who could hear us can come to my parking lot tomorrow, 12 to 2, and get a free backpack, games, fake tattoos, swag, sunglasses. Here, want to put those on? No. And have some fun with us. Detroit Youth Choir's coming. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes.
How's that?
Yes, perfect. Detroit Youth Choir's coming, Kona Ice. We like to make it a party. My mom will be there.
Oh, good.
12 to 2.
I've got a question. Is this one of the backpacks you're giving away?
Yeah, but here's the goods inside. They took it out for you.
This is all the stuff?
Yeah. Well, nice backpack.
You don't put your name on the backpack, do you?
I don't.
Why not?
That's a good question. Nobody's ever asked me that. I don't want the kids to feel like it's less than or charity. I want them to feel like just the kid next door who's got a backpack from Target or whatever. I don't want to brand this. It's not about marketing. It's not about advertising. It's about giving back. And I feel strongly about it. Some people would brand it, but I didn't want to.
You have plenty of swag. It's not like
I'm not shy.
You're not shy.
But I'm not branding the backpack. That's all.
Why is there a need? Is there a need for this in there? And what is the need? You know the need.
So the teachers and the parents. I mean, Charlie, look at. it's a backpack full of supplies. When the parents come up to me and say, Michael, it was either this or a uniform. It was either this or feeding my kids. I can't tell you how many times it is so meaningful, and of course, a little bit sad for the ones who can't afford a backpack, that I want to help, and and we're giving more and more every year, thousands and thousands. We're over 300 and I think 10,000 backpacks since we've been doing this. I now have talked about it so much with your help. I think it's in 12 or 13 cities across the country from other law firms doing it. It's spreading.
And it is spreading, and the word is out there because the need is there. Listen, now we'll cover it. I'm sure we'll be there tomorrow. Where's it at again?
My parking lot in Southfield, 12 to 2.
Last question on that verdict. Was there any criminal charges in that verdict?
And that verdict, no. That's up to 𝗕𝗟𝗦𝗧𝗘, Oakland County. It happened in Oakland County.
Should there be criminal charges?
We'll see. I don't know. Yes, I think so.
Jury's out on that.
The jury's out on that, but I'm not a criminal defense attorney or prosecutor.
It doesn't matter your verdict, but
doesn't matter for the verdict. But listen, 𗗕𝗟𝗦𝗧𝗘, Mark Keast over there are wonderful prosecutors.
Great prosecutors. All right. Anyway, good stuff. Good for you, and making awareness of a drug problem, for one, and then this backpack giveaway for which you've done for 10, 11, 12, how many years? And you're not going away. It's going to be another 10, 12, 15 years, whatever it may be.
I hope so.
Mike Morse.
Thanks, buddy.
We'll see you on television. Although some of the political commercials maybe now.
That's not
We'll see less of you on television. All right. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back in a moment.